Yes, I lost $74,000 on something very stupid that could have been avoided, and you can avoid it too. I know you guys are doing it, and you probably don't even know, but by the end of this video, you're going to understand what I'm talking about, and you're going to save yourselves thousands of dollars down the line. Now, how did I lose $74,000? When I was living alone, I was always eating out, always ordering food. I'm not even a fat guy. So I didn't need to eat a lot. I just didn't cook anything at home. I lived alone, but the oven was never turned on, not once. I didn't make anything. I just ordered Grubhub, Seamless, Postmates. I would order food all the time. At one point, I was spending maybe $1,500 a month on just food. And now comes the sad part. When I thought about it and I calculated, if I would have just budgeted myself and spent $200 a month on food, the extra $1,000 a month, I could have invested in an index fund, which would have gave me around 10% a year. That $1,000 a month in 5 years would have been $74,000. Yes. Instead of eating all the time things that sometimes the food was not even good, I could have made $74,000 in 5 years without even blinking an eye. Investments are just as important as food. Maybe not as important, because we need food to survive. But you need investments to become financially free. If you want to become stress-free and not always work, you need to invest. You need to become frugal. You need to stop wasting money on things that are not necessary, such as ordering burritos at 1 o'clock at night. Budget yourselves. Even if you're making $5,000, $6,000, $10,000 a month, you don't need most of the things you're buying. If you just pay attention to what you're spending money on, you're wasting a lot. You could be, I guarantee probably most of you guys don't make your coffee at home. I make my coffee at home now. I'm not spending money anymore on stupid things I do not need. I save my money, I invest my money, and I'm trying to grow wealth. The only way to attain wealth is through investments. You are not going to be wealthy by going to work for someone making $90,000 a year and going out to eat every night. Now that I saved you thousands of dollars, I would appreciate it if you give me a like and subscribe to this video, so then I can give you more tips on how to save money and increase your wealth. Thank you.